Holy cow, he's got to really package this stuff. Look at the packaging that we do.
It was unboxing.
Like, we don't spare any expense. We realize that our product is a premium product. We know that. And we know how careful it needs to be packaged. Okay, we got one panel. So we can't mess this up. We got one shot at doing this right. Measure 4 times here and cut hopefully once. What did we say we had? Where's your Texas Instrument? Okay.
Still there?
Yeah, we haven't moved. 68. Got a battery operated skill saw. We're just gonna cut this stuff right here. That's a great idea. He's got a great idea. What we want to do is we want to create a straight edge. So we're going to use our back plate. We've got a full back plate there. We're going to use that as a guide. I like to use a skill saw to cut these panels rather than a table saw. I find the table saw, it's a little, unless you have a really nice big table saw that you can put like a sheet of plywood basically, because that's what basically you're dealing with as far as size goes. It just makes it way easier, and this stuff does cut like butter. If you've got the non-ferrous blade, the AL13 one, it cuts like butter. Turn this,
Do you know what your offset is? Something like that.
So I'm just using these clamps. These are called Jag clamps. Brock White sells these. I'm sure all of our other dealers do as well. The gentleman was saying they use these for string lines actually. So you just clamp somewhere, then you can wrap your string line and pull it tight. Oh, yeah, that's really nice. That works out great. What's if I go to the inside? I'd hate to have to go back to the factory and grab another panel because I have a little car and it's really tough to put it on the panel this way.